Hello there, everyone, and congratulations. Bitcoin is far past $41,000. So then the big question is, what is happening next? 50K? Or are we gonna correct? And that is what this video is gonna be all about, because I wanna show you some market maker data and some liquidity levels, and what is, my opinion, the most important resistance that you should be watching for. And if you've been taking a long, or you should be considering to take some profits, at least short term. So without any further ado, let's just jump straight into this. And just the chart itself, I mean, wow, look at it. This is how beautiful it is. This is the wedge that we've been talking about for so long. And we have this insane breakout. Actually, our target, just in all fairness, I actually did not take a long trade. I mean, I have my Bitcoin spot holding, which was just more than enough to profit from this nicely. But I didn't take the leverage trade. But if you did yourself, then certainly you need to find your place, or you're gonna actually take any of your profits, and that is right here. So our technical target was actually for this breakup, if it were to happen, was actually around $42,000. We're almost there, very, very close to it. And this is such a beautiful breakout. I mean, I did not expect it to be so parabolic, so nice, and considering that actually everything else is also, even gold is rallying right now. So this is very nice to see. But of course, it is nice to see that Bitcoin is outperforming everything else as just per usual. Bitcoin is, as always, it is the best. But now, let me show you some data which makes me go a bit crazy about what we are seeing right now, and the importance of what we are seeing right now. And that is the actual market sentiment and the actual, the interest in Bitcoin, which paints a very good picture as to what might be around the corner as well. And guys, quick, before I show you this crazy stuff, quick announcement. Well, there's a reminder of the announcement that actually you can still claim $100 for absolutely free with Bybit, with the Shrapnel collaboration that they're doing. So what you need to do is this right here. So there's going to be the link to this page in the description of this video, and you need to basically have a Bybit account. You have to complete these tasks right here, and then fill out the form, and you can claim 500 Shrap for absolutely free. You can sell them on the market and make $100. So this is easy, and it's sponsored by Shrap. Bybit reached out to me and said, Thomas, free money for your followers. So I was like, okay. If you want a more detailed instruction, then go watch my previous video. I'm gonna link it somewhere up here. You can check it out. And this is where I was discussing all the details about this. So if you want to make $100 for doing nothing, here's your opportunity. So, and certainly you need to use my link to Bybit in BitGet down in the description of this video if you want to trade on an exchange that you can trust, and also to claim all these incredible bonuses. And if you use my link to Bybit down in the description of this video, you can also claim up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses. So it is a win-win. Now, getting to the most important point, which makes me so excited, is that we are seeing Bitcoin far past $40,000, $41,000, and coming close to $42,000. And all of this is happening when the interest for Bitcoin, and just in the search terms of the search engines such as Google, is at an all-time low. Look at this. This is what actually was posted by Luke Broyles, that right now Bitcoin is far past $40,000, despite the fact that if we go to the Google search terms as inflation, Bitcoin, we're actually going to see that interest in Bitcoin is extremely low. Look at it. Look at how low it is. So this is just showing us the sentiment of the market and what it is. Nobody's paying attention. People are still not Googling what Bitcoin is. They're like, 40,000. Like a lot of people I know, they're like, oh, really? Is it 40K? Wow. People are not paying attention. This means that a lot of this rally is created not by retail. So retail is gonna start FOMOing in later. And when the real FOMO kicks in, this is when, especially we see so many things coming up. And this is what I think that this current rally is just because of the expectation of DTF, halving, sentiment, and this is just precursor to a huge bull run. And this is what only insiders understand. So this is not even retail. This is proven here that retail is not paying attention. Look. It is so quiet right now. It's incredible. This is just the level of the interest, which you can actually check yourself. This is incredible. And one more piece I want to show you is this right here. And this is basically where our target should be, and this is where a lot of liquidity is. There was a lot of liquidity at about 39,000, this one right here, and we cleared it no problem. Then there was some liquidity at 41,000, a lot of it right here. We cleared it no problem, and basically next target is about 42. So the area of 42, 43 is our basically our next. Jesus Christ, keeps falling off of me. Anyway, so the next big target is really 42,000, and considering of the extension, like, it's so beautiful for me to see how it's stretching like a rubber. But if you look at the bigger time frame, it's quite crazy to see it. I mean, we're going beyond all moving averages. I mean, I'm not going to be even showing you anything in VPVR or like EMA ribbon and all of these indicators. It doesn't really matter anymore. Like, all we care about is volume, which is not too big, which a bit is frustrating. But if you look at this price action, look, it's almost like a mini bull run, mini parabolic run that we're starting to see right now. However, guys, I want to remind you in all fairness that these kinds of run-ups, they always have to have a correction. Even if we go historically, even if we go to the previous bull run, you know, when we were saying something like this, even here we had a correction, here, you know, here we had a correction. And every time when we even go up, like even if we go back here, we always see these corrections. But I mean, they look small here, but in reality, they can be like something like 40%. So it is normal for any asset out there to have bigger corrections than 40% and sometimes 50%. And I'm not saying that Bitcoin is going to drop 50% from here. All I'm saying is that don't FOMO in like a degen. I mean, certainly accumulating Bitcoin is smart regardless of the price, quite frankly, because we could be going, if ETF comes out tomorrow and it is approved, Bitcoin price probably is going to pump to like something like 50K. And then it's going to probably, you know, this ETF hangover, it's going to probably tickle down back to 40, maybe even 35, you know, just to shave people, find out, because the amount of longs in the system right now is crazy. And I'm surprised that these longs were not liquidated yet. So therefore, this is very important to still keep in mind. And always, you know, always be happy about the amount of, you know, Bitcoin you're holding if you've been watching my videos. So therefore, I haven't taken this breakout here. I mean, considerably, like all of us who actually own Bitcoin have taken this breakout, but because you always take everything when you have spot holding. But with futures, unfortunately, I didn't take it. It looks beautiful, kind of feeling the fear of missing out, a bit of FOMO. But I know very well that whenever you feel FOMO and whenever you feel like you're invincible, this is usually the top. And so far it hasn't been, but let's find out. So always keep accumulating Bitcoin when it comes to trades. Always take, you know, all the smallest trades, that's fine. And we've also taken some smallest trades in our community as well. There's a link to it down in the description of this video. So if you want to see all of my trades and the trades of my team that we've done throughout all of this, and altcoins and Bitcoin, etc., all the smallest ones, then that's where it's going to be. On YouTube, I'm just posting bigger ones, bigger swing trades, bigger momentum trades, and liquidity trades. And for now, I haven't seen the opportunity just yet. But at the 42K, maybe something new will be coming, so subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll also, very important, check out this quick tutorial as to how to trade Bitcoin with proper risk and money management. Very important before I post the next trade, so you understand how to actually trade like a G. As always, peace and love, Thomas Krallo. Stay smart, stay very rich, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.